Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIL Lily 2 active, and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the lower button. Once you wake up the screen, press and hold the lower button to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu, find the settings option and then tap on it to enter. In settings, scroll down, find the option called the system, and once you find it, tap on it. Then scroll through the list of options, find the option called the language, and once you find it, tap on it to open the list of languages. And here you can scroll through the list of languages, find the language you would like to use on your watch, and once you find it and select it, you can tap on the check mark, and the language should be applied on your watch, like this. If your watch is paired with a phone, you can also use the phone application to change the languages. So let's bring the phone that is paired with my watch, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen. Okay, and on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the Garmin Connect application. In the app, you should see the home page. Tap on the more options to open the menu, scroll down, find the Garmin devices, tap on it. From the list of devices, select your Lily 2 active. And on this page, scroll down, find the option called the system, then language. Find the language you want to use on your watch, tap on it to select it. After you see this, you can tap on OK. Sync the devices together by tapping on this icon. And once the watch is done syncing, the language should be applied. And that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.